Hey guys, it's Monique from NowYou'reCooking.ca with another delicious recipe, spicy masala frittata. Inspired by Indian masala omelets and scrambled eggs, this is a spicy twist on an Italian frittata. These are all the ingredients you need for this recipe: half an onion, minced garlic, green chilies, some diced bell pepper, any color will do, I don't discriminate, a small Roma tomato, cilantro, mine looks like this because I keep it in the freezer, milk, eggs, ghee, which is clarified butter, and finally, your masala or spice mixture. I thought about calling this dish masala omelet, but masala frittata rolls off the tongue a bit better. Plus, unlike omelets, the fillings for frittatas are mixed in with the eggs instead of placed on top, and the egg isn't folded down the middle. In a large bowl, beat the eggs with the milk. 3 eggs should be enough for 1 to 2 people. Add in your chopped cilantro leaves. As I mentioned before, I keep mine in the freezer, that's why they look a tad soggy defrosted, but they're still good. Heat the ghee in a large frying pan set to medium heat. If you don't have ghee, you could use butter or oil. Toss in those onions and allow them to cook down a bit for a couple minutes. Then add in your garlic as well as the chili peppers. Add an extra one if you like it really spicy. Put in the chopped bell pepper and cook everything for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. You'll also want to add in your spice mixture, aka masala, at this point to help release the flavors. Masala is a word commonly used in Indian cuisine. It basically means a mixture of spices. These spices often include coriander and cumin, which is also known as jeera. Turmeric powder complements the other spices very well and enhances the color of the eggs in this dish with its yellow-orange hue. After your spices have heated up for a minute or 2, add in your tomatoes and continue to cook for 5 minutes. You really want to pre-cook your veggies for this dish because it helps boost the flavor as well as helps reduce their water content. A soggy frittata isn't going to have a very nice texture. Once all of your veggies are done heating up, slowly pour in your egg mixture and reduce the heat to medium-low. You could help the cooking process along by tilting the pan and making sure some of the uncooked part of the egg mixture hits the bottom. You don't want to stir it though. Now you could finish this dish off in the oven like it's traditionally done, but I find it a bit easier on my electric bill if I just did everything on the stovetop. Plus we only used a few eggs. So cover the pan to help trap the steam and continue cooking for about 5 minutes. Once you notice that the edges are slightly brown and crisp and the egg on top is set, remove from heat. Use a spatula so that you could shimmy the frittata onto a plate. You'll want to let it slightly cool before cutting it into smaller pieces. The bottom should be golden brown in color. Frittatas make great brunch food. They're delicious warm out of the pan or even served at room temperature. You could sprinkle some sliced hot peppers on top and serve with a slice of buttered toast. Better yet, if you have some frozen paratha or chapati in the kitchen, heat them up because this rolled up inside is delish. This is a pretty healthy meal and the Indian spices give it a unique flavor, perfect for a larger brunch gathering. I hope you like this recipe. Remember to like, share, and subscribe if you did. Don't forget to comment if you tried cooking it or have any suggestions. You could also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. For the full recipe, check out my website at NowYou'reCooking.ca. Bye for now!